Alright, so once again, we are just gonna go in. Funny, ironically, I was talking earlier about jumping a fence, and now shit. Alright, this place really is closed. These are just tennis courts. Alright, I'm gonna kill this light. Oops. Okay, so not ideal. I'm gonna try this lower area. I thought the top area would be the place. Gonna wait for this car. Yeah, we're gonna have to just try to put a tent in this lower area because I don't know where else to go. I'll just try to get away from the road. Should be fine. Difficult for you to see, but I can see okay. Here's another little road. I'll hit the light on when I get over here. Still got my donut. Okay. Looks like another parking area. Here's the stairs. I'm guessing there'll be something up here. That's the name of the game. This should be alright. Did you ever see the show MTV's Fear? If I were superstitious. Or if somebody told me ghost stories. Both. I would need both. Even if you told me ghost stories, I would still have to believe in ghosts. Okay, there's some lights on up here. I hope there's a bathroom. God, so many stairs. Okay, here we go. Here's a lit area. We could definitely do something up here. Grass is kind of long, but pretty flat. Here's some water. That's important. Oh yeah, this'll work. I don't know if you can see. picnic tables and benches. So this is gonna be where we camp. It seems like it's closed, but it might just be the cars. I like over here because it's not completely overgrown. You can't see shit, but go up this path a little ways. Is that a bathroom? Gosh, I can't tell. Looks like a monument. Anyway, I'm gonna explore a little without the headlamp and look for a bathroom, figure out where I'm gonna camp, and then you'll find out. But I'm thinking over here. You can see the city in the distance. Cool. Hello. We're doing it again. Environmentally challenged. Hani Dipu.